is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. So you can see it says restore a backup. To find and restore your backup from Google storage, allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. So we can go to continue right here and then go to allow. And if I have any kind of messages that are backed up, they should be restored. So what you need to do is simply just delete your application and then go through the startup process once again. And you can see I'm back in here now. And if you go up to the top to go to settings right here, if you look under here, there's an option for backup. So let's go on down here to where it says chats. Tap this, scrolling down, and you can see chat backup. So we can tap this and we can go to backup. So if you automatically back this up, it's going to be saved to your phone. And then when you delete the application and you re-download it, it's going to ask you, like I just showed you, if you want to go ahead and retrieve and restore those backups. So just go to WhatsApp and then delete it and then reinstall it under the Google Play Store. And it should prompt you to restore your messages. So just make sure you have a backup file on WhatsApp. So you can see I probably didn't back it up at all, so we can go to chat backup. It says never, so now I'm backing it up. So just make sure you have this turned on, automatic backups. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.